Okay, welcome back then for your next lesson. And we're gonna divide now whole number with a fraction. Okay, so dividing whole number with a fraction. I'm just gonna give 5 examples, then we're gonna end our lesson. Okay, so that I won't take much of your time. So let's start. Uh, Example number one. We're gonna divide 4 divided by 1/2. Now this time we are dividing whole number divided by a fraction. Now how are we going to answer that? Okay, first, just change this whole number into a fraction form, then multiply that to the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, that's it. So if we're going to answer this, we're going to make this first whole number into a fraction form. So how? By giving it a denominator which is 1. Because 4 divided by 1 is still 1. Okay? We just make this whole number 4 into a fraction form which is 4 over 1. But they are still 1. Okay? Now, division here will become multiplication. But you have to remember that you have to multiply that to the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 2 here will become its numerator, and 1 here will become its denominator. Okay? So, the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. Now, we can now multiply. So, numerator to numerator, and denominator to its denominator. So, 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 for their denominator is 1. Now, 8 divided by 1 is 8. Okay? So, therefore, our answer here is 8. So, 4 divided by 1/2 is 8. Okay? So, let's have example number 2. Number 2. We have 3 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, so 3 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, so we have a whole number divided by fraction. So the same method, first change this whole number into a fraction, which is 3 over 1. So it's still 3. There's still equal. Then change this division into a multiplication. It becomes multiplication now. By the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay? We have to get the reciprocal of this fraction to multiply that. Okay, so 5 here will become this numerator, and 4 will become its denominator. Okay, so it becomes 5 over 4. Now let's multiply. Now 3 times 5 is 15 over 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so we have 15 over 4. And to answer this, 15 divided by 4. Okay, now how many 4 are there in a 15? There's 3, right? Okay, because 3 times 4 is 12. And we have a remainder 3 to reach 15. Okay, so we have the remainder will become its numerator, and for its denominator, it's 4. Okay, so therefore, for our final answer, that's 3 and 3/4. Okay, let's have example number 3. divided by 1/6. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 1/6. Okay, so whole number divided by a fraction. Now first, the same procedure, change the whole number into a fraction. Okay, so 4, the fraction form of 4 is 4 over 1. Okay, next, division will become multiplication by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is the denominator becomes its numerator, that's 6, and the numerator becomes its denominator, it becomes 6 over 1. So let's multiply. 4 times 6, that's 24, over 1 times 1 is 1, and 24 divided by 1 is 24. So for our final answer, 4 divided by 1/6 is 24. Okay, so let's have example number 4. Okay, dividing whole number with a fraction. Let's have 6 divided by 1. Okay, so the same method. Okay, whole number divided by fraction. Now, to answer this, change this whole number first into a fraction, which is its fraction form is 6 over 1. Okay, so the same, because 6 divided by 1 is still 6, only it's in fraction form. Next, division will become multiplication, and we have to get the reciprocal of this. Okay, so denominator becomes its numerator, and numerator becomes its denominator. It becomes 8 over 1. The reciprocal of 1/8 is 8 over 1. Okay, so we can now multiply. Now 6 times 8 is 48, over 1 times 1 is 1, and 48 divided by 8 is 1. Is 48 in it. 48 divided by 1 in it. Okay, equals 48. Okay, so let's have last example for our lesson today then. Let's have 3 divided by 2/6. Okay, whole number divided by the fraction. Now, the same, change this first into a fraction form, which is 3 over 1. Now, what becomes the division? It becomes multiplication. Next, by the reciprocal of this fraction, just gonna invert this. Okay, 6, the denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator here becomes the denominator. Okay, it becomes 6 over 2. We can now multiply. Now 3 times 6, 18. Okay, over 1 times 2 is 2. Now 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. Okay, therefore 3 divided by 2 over 6 is 9 for our final answer. Okay, that's it for now, Ben. For our lesson today. See you for our next meeting. Thank you for your time.